Welcome to an in-depth explanation of cryptography, the essential tool that protects our digital world. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cryptography? Cryptography is the science and art of protecting information by making it unreadable. The name comes from the Greek words meaning hidden writing. The core concept involves converting readable text into unintelligible gibberish and back again. The key is that only those with the correct secret key can unlock and read the message. Why is scrambling our data so necessary in the modern age? Let's explore the critical needs for cryptography. First, cryptography protects privacy, ensuring that personal communications remain private. It's also vital for securing sensitive communication, like military or government secrets, during transmission. It prevents hacking, because even if a database is stolen, encrypted passwords are useless. And crucially, it ensures trust, assuring users that they are interacting with the genuine website. Cryptography is the primary tool used to achieve the three foundational goals of network security, known as the CIA Triad. Confidentiality ensures that only authorized people can read the message. Encryption turns the plain text into code, so if a hacker steals it, they only see garbage data. Integrity ensures the message hasn't been tampered with during transport. Techniques like hashing generate a unique code that changes entirely if the data is altered, immediately alerting the receiver. Now let's establish the essential vocabulary you need to understand cryptography. Plain text is the original, readable message, like hello. Ciphertext is the scrambled, unreadable message. The key is the secret password used to lock or unlock the data. The algorithm is the mathematical formula used to do the scrambling. Encryption is the process of converting plain text to ciphertext, essentially locking the safe. Decryption is the reverse process, converting the ciphertext back to plain text or unlocking the safe. Cryptography is classified based on the technique used to scramble the data and the number of keys involved. The substitution technique replaces characters with different characters. For example, the Caesar cipher shifts every letter by a fixed number, changing the identity of the characters. The transposition technique does not change the characters themselves, but rearranges their order. The letters are the same, but their position is different, like shuffling a deck of cards. Now let's look at the two main types of key-based cryptography. Symmetric key cryptography uses the same single key for both encryption and decryption. It is very fast, but the problem is securely sharing that single key. Asymmetric key or public key cryptography uses two different keys, a public key to encrypt and a private key to decrypt. It is slower but highly secure, like a postbox where anyone can drop a letter, but only one person has the key to open it. Finally, let's see where cryptography is actually used in our daily lives. Cryptography secures banking PINs, enables end-to-end encryption for apps like WhatsApp, and powers the HTTPS security used by e-commerce sites to protect your credit card details. Cryptography is the silent guardian of the digital world, ensuring our privacy, integrity, and confidentiality. Understanding these concepts is essential in the digital age. Thank you for watching.